Hey explorers, ever wondered where artificial intelligence came from? Let's rewind the clock and take a super quick trip from 1956 all the way to ChatGPT. It all started in 1956 when a group of scientists met at Dartmouth College and coined the term artificial intelligence. Their goal? Build machines that could think like humans. Fast forward to the 1960s and 70s, researchers dreamed big, building logic-based programs and early robots. But progress was slow. Computers were clunky, and AI couldn't deliver. This era became known as the AI winter. Then came a breakthrough. In 1997, IBM's DeepSeek defeated world chess champion Garry Kasparov. That proved machines could outperform humans in complex games. The world paid attention. In 2012, deep learning changed everything. A neural network crushed an image recognition contest, and AI suddenly got really good at understanding images, speech, and more. And then came the creative side of AI. From 2018 to now, tools like GPT-2, DALL-E, and ChatGPT started generating stories, images, even songs, all from simple text prompts. Now, in 2025, AI is everywhere, from your phone's keyboard to robots in factories. But here's the coolest part. You're growing up in the AI generation, and that means you can be part of what's next. Whether you're building bots, training models, or just exploring, the future of AI needs your curiosity. So, are you ready to join me, Zain, on your AI adventure? Let's explore the future together. See you in the next mission, explorers.